Hi sir, hi ma'am. Thank you for watching this video. We are Universal Equipments in Coimbatore. Our company located in nearest Coimbatore Airport. Our manufacturing products are air compressors, air dryers, air filters, air receivers, hydraulic lift, two-wheeler ramp, scooter washer, car washer, foam washer, low-rise lift, tools trolley, tools, pet bottling machine, pet air compressor, water chiller, high pressure air dryer, high pressure air filters, borewell compressor, soundproof compressors, low rise lift, two post lift, everything. After sales service also we providing to all our dealers and direct customers. You kindly contact any requirements 9443709163 and our WhatsApp number is 7598105899. Kindly free visit our website www.universalequipments.in. Thank you so much.